Hello, here is Dinar and you are watching a video digest in which we cover the most important events in the history of the string transport development and the Skyworld community company over the past weeks. In this release, Anatoli Unitsky discusses rail installation in Sharjah with the team. Representatives of Mobility Live Middle East have visited the testing center in Sharjah. The investment offers Faces of the Future and Joint 24 Plus are available in the personal office. And now more about these events. The founder of the project, Anatoli Unitsky, has held a working meeting at the testing center in Sharjah. The participants of the meeting discussed the installation of the string rails, the construction site safety, as well as the work with contractors. One part of the meeting took place in the pavilion where there is installed the 1:1 scale mock-up of the string rail. More recently, it was used to show the design features to experts from the UAE. That is how local contractors were able to get to grips with a technology that was not yet available in the country. This is exactly the kind of rail that will be installed on the fourth 2.4 kilometers track. Later, the test of the freight Unicorn, up to 60 tons in mass, and the higher capacity passenger Unibus will be carried out on this line. The meeting helped the team find solutions that will simplify some of the installation steps as well as validate the high safety and environmental requirements of the works. Sonia Yalapa and Oliver Ball, managers of Mobility Live Middle East, have visited the testing center in Sharjah. This is a key event for the region in the field of modern transport technology. Representatives of Sharjah Science and Technology Park also accompanied the visitors. As a reminder, it is on its premises that the testing center itself is located. During the tour, the delegates were shown the center's key facilities, the certified tropical unicorn, the high-speed model of the string transport, the mock-up of a linear city, and the dispatch room. The guests also took a test drive on the 400-meter track. An equally important part of the tour was the presentation of the project. The delegates were told how the implementation of the string transport will help develop hard-to-reach areas and international routes, increase the country's economic indicators, and improve the ecology. After the meeting, the guests shared their impressions, highlighting that it was an honor to visit the testing center and see for themselves what the future of mobility might look like. To conclude, we remind you that the Faces of the Future offer is once again available in the personal office. Up to the 19th of August, you can register any number of investments at the discount of 1 to 90 and receive a hologram with your photo in the Museum of the Testing Center in Belarus. The updated Joint 24 Plus offer is also available now. According to the new conditions, the discount will be increased not only when buying in installments within 24 hours, but also when inviting friends. The maximum discount on this offer is now 1 to 70. For detailed terms and conditions on Faces of the Future and Joint 24 Plus, see the description to this video. That has been all the news for today. Subscribe to SWC YouTube channel and enable notifications for not missing future releases of the video digest. See you later!